안녕하세요. 제 이름은 김지아입니다. Hello, my name is Kimjia, and in this video, you're going to learn the basic step in Korean traditional dance. There are so many types of Korean traditional dance. We have the seungmu, teapyeongmu, ganganseulle, ariwang, and talchum. But this is the basic step in every Korean traditional dance. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also the notification button so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Shijang, hi Kayo, shall we begin? So guys, step 1 is the hand movement. So for the hand movement, first you have to place your right hand on your waist like this and your left hand at the back, just like this. Then you open and you change. You open and you change. You open and you change. So you don't need to open your hands too wide, just in a way you're comfortable with. So this is called the waist wrapping. So in Korean traditional dance, usually when you bend, you exhale, and when you stand, you inhale. So exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. So this is called clutching, and clutching is important in every Korean traditional dance. So let's try it. Let's try the hand movements with the clutching together. So first your right hand on your waist and your left hand at the back. So 하나, 둘, 하나, 둘, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And don't forget, when you're doing the clutching, you have to inhale and exhale. So is the leg movement. So for the leg movement, first you have to place your leg in form of a V shape, not like this, just like this, in a way you are comfortable with. Then you raise your right leg, you place your knee, then your toe. You place your knee, then your toe. You place your knee, then your toe. But don't forget, you have to do the clutching while doing the leg movement. So you place your knee, then your toe, you do the clutching, your knee, your toe, your clutching, your knee, your toe, your clutching, your knee, your toe, your clutching. So it's when you're putting your feet, your toe on the ground, that is when you do the clutching. So let's try it again. Knee and toe, clutching, 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 knee and toe, clutching. Now we're going to try the hand movement and the leg movement together with the clutching. And don't forget, while you do your clutching, you have to inhale and also exhale. So let's try it. First, your right hand on your waist and your left hand at the back. So let's go. 하나, 둘, 셋, 가자. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the leg movement backward, what you do first is you place your toe first, then your knee. You place your toe, then your knee. You place your toe, then your knee. You also have to do your clutching. You place your toe, then your knee. You place your toe, then your knee. You place your toe, then your knee. So the step 3 is the zigzag movement. First, you're not going to be moving straight. It's kind of a zigzag, and you have to use your body to control your leg. So let's go. First, you swing your right leg to the right side, your knee, then your toes. You do your clutching. 1. You swing your left leg to the left side. You do knee and toes. You do your clutching. 1. You swing your right leg, to the right side. Knee and toe. You do your clutching. 1. You swing your left leg to the left side. Knee and toes. You do your clutching. 1. So guys, let's try it. So we're going to be trying the step 1, step 2, and step 3 together. So first, your right hand on your waist and your left hand at the back. Don't forget, when you do your clutching, you have to inhale and exhale at the same time. So let's go. 하나, 둘, 셋. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. So you have to move your body, use your body to control your leg for step 3. As I said, swing your leg to the right side, you do your clutching, 1. You move your body, you have to move your body together with your leg. And don't forget, as I said, clutching is important in every Korean traditional dance. So guys, let's try this with music. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time with another of my Korean helpful video. Come, tamibayo, annyeong. Bye. See you next time.